Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to be making roasted mushrooms. These are the mushrooms, and I'm going to stuff them with mince, that's mutton mince, rice, bell pepper, onion, chili, and tomatoes, and spices. I'll do a full list of the spices you need to make these. So let's start cutting the pepper. You need to finely chop it. Okay, so here are the mushrooms. What you need to do is get this, cut the stem out, and inside what you see the gills type, whatever they're called. Take all that out, like so. So you got a nice bowl. We just washed the mushrooms. So we're adding the tomatoes, peppers, onions, chilies into the rice, which we're going to mix. So some mushrooms gonna have a rice, vegetable stuffing. The other will have mince in it. Or you could just do the veg itself with the cheese on it and olive oil. So you add the cheese. For the first few days, we had a lot of fried foods. So now we're gonna do healthy stuff. Salt is added. That's the olive oil. Okay, pinch of salt. That's stew done. Okay, that's the mix for the mince one. Yeah, so that's your mince and veg mix. Okay, so at this stage, You put some olive oil on all of them. And last, you put the cheese on. Okay, so that's all done now. The next step is to put it into the oven. For the sweet dish, we have here custard. So that's the custard. The dry fruit on the top, so almonds, raisins, coconut. Mint and tomato chutney. Okay, start with the tomatoes. Cut them into small pieces. Okay. So you just need the leaves of the mint. And there's the chili. I've only put one chili. If you like it really hot, then you put more chili in it. It's nearly done. Okay, add the salt. And now add the yogurt. Okay, that's the chutney done. Okay, so I was going to put this in the oven, but because it's only 4 pieces, I'm gonna put it into this air fryer, so it'll be faster and more economical. Okay, so 15 minutes. Okay, just checking on the mushrooms. I think they look done now. It's been 10 minutes, so I'm gonna check it now. Okay, here they are. Three of them are done, so we just change the positions, and these 2 needs to be roasted like that there. So another 5 minutes or 2-3 minutes. Okay, so that's all done. The mushrooms are done.